The onboard weighing provides immediate weight of the load in the bucket and tracks the dismounted load on truck or on pile. Thanks to the dynamic weighing process, the operator can work without interruptions. When loading a truck, enter in the max load for the truck, and the onboard weighing system will provide a running total and warn the operator when the maximum is approached. Onboard weighing provides a summary of the total weight, total number of trucks, total weight on trucks, and total weight on pile. Unwanted load that you don't want to register in the system can be discarded in two ways. A load of material dumped outside the set work range won't count toward the load on the truck or pile. You can also push the pause button. The system works on slopes of plus or minus 5 degrees. To reach the best accuracy, make sure the oil temperature is between 40 and 60 degrees Celsius or between 104 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The log symbol will change from blue to grey when the oil temperature is reached. Work only with calibrated buckets and level any tilt attachment. If the machine is equipped with a two-piece boom, keep it fully extended at all times while working with the onboard weighing for optimal accuracy. Read the manual for additional information.